Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips, and welcome back to Slay the Spire 2. Let's do it. Who do I feel like playing today? Let's do Ironclad. Let's do the Claddy Daddy. How many times can I call him that before you get sick of it? What if I just clicked on Nia's Bones and it was like really good? Sorry. What if I just clicked it and it was like insanely awesome? Interesting. So we get wing boots and stone humidifier. I can max out. Wait, we can go max HP. Wait, that's actually kind of good. Because we're ironclad. Wait, that's actually like not bad. We can actually go like max HP maxing. So, very interesting indeed. So, okay. Let's contemplate this. I would like to remove this curse I just added to my deck. That elite does look like it could be strong. If you don't feel like you could fight the elite, you can skip like here. And then onto this campfire. Then you just get 3 rests in a row. Whoa. And you fight this elite in the end. That doesn't sound very good. I'm in. Let's see if the max HP that we get from Stone Humidifier can actually... Oh, no. Ah, 2 damage. I would like to kill this guy soon. Literally, damage we take doesn't matter. Take everything on the chin. I should absolutely click Stomp because I'm probably going to be clicking on a lot of attacks in this run. Should absolutely click on that. I just need the max HP. More max HP! More! More! Wait, Brand is like really good. Tough. That is tough. Do I remove the curse or do I take a... I don't actually think it's that strong early, so I'll just take the decay. Or take the remove to remove the decay. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. Literally, damage you take doesn't matter. You need to get in that mindset. Take everything on the chin. Like, that's actually our strategy in this run. We're gonna have a bunch of max HP. A bloodletting can be good. Although, I'm gonna have a tough time removing these strikes. But nah, I think I'm gonna take bloodletting here. Maybe I need to click Perfected Strike, though. But then I feel like I need to upgrade Perfected Strike. I think I just take the money here. Alright, I don't think I can fight these elites, I've decided. Let's rest up. Maybe I can fight this guy. I'm gonna try. With a strike. So, I've added 1 card to my deck, and it's a Stomp. I'm gonna die if I fight that guy. I'm going to die. We need to be realistic here. Oh, man, I just removed these strikes! It doesn't matter. Okay, damage you take does not matter. I just missed a campfire for literally nothing. Oh, I'm in pain. This is a bad draw, man. Jesus. Oh, actually, wait, no. This is a good draw. I think I'm getting a... Okay, anger. Anger is what I need. Anger with stomp is absolutely what I need. And I am going to do the greedy decision and just upgrade it. I think it's actually better to fight this, go to the shop here, because then I can find some cards. Inferno is very good. I'm down to click on Inferno. It's an alternate way to deal damage. I would love a Flame Barrier here, because it's just generally a really good card. Although, remember, the plan is... What if I take Pillage here? What if you did, like, Pillage with Anger? What if you did, like, Pillage... Well, then I wouldn't want to add, like, a Flame Barrier, but one Flame Barrier can't hurt. And then maybe I do add Trample. Nah, I'll be fine. Okay, let's just go. I am adding the cards to this deck. I will take that damage. For I am not afraid. I am not afraid to face the mighty. What is this deck doing? I guess it's just like playing Anger. And being relatively small. I do low-key kind of want to upgrade Inferno for this fight. Because I'm going to need this Inferno to win. Also, don't forget about your potion here. That does not wake you up. There's my Inferno. Okay. Very good Anger. I'm going to upgrade. Maybe this wasn't the right way to do it because I upgraded fewer cards in total. I knew this guy to be vulnerable. This Pillage, I do have high hopes for. I am not killing this guy very quickly, and he's about to debuff me. I need to play that vulnerable. Just race. Win the race. Just race him. That's all you need to do is just win the race. Yes. Okay, good. Pax End. What about a conflagration here with all of these attacks? We're kind of like a very attack heavy build. So I think with like these 0-cost Angers in the deck, I feel like this could be very good. Radiant Pearl is just nice and consistent. Playing Inferno, or playing, like, Flame Barrier turn 1, this is basically, like, a better Anchor. I'll do it. I think that's fine. Would kind of like to visit some shops this act. I want to pick up, like, a potion. And then I want to fight elites, because we do There is only one elite this act that we are afraid of. Yo. I see. That conflagration did okay damage. Need to set you up to die. I mean, we hurt like a motherfucker. I would like this more if I had like strength scaling. Although it is a zero cost attack, that actually is not bad. Maybe I should take it. You know what? I will take it. I've been persuaded. Whoa. Hell yeah, that's the dream. So set you up to die. Nice. Wait, we're actually kind of crazy mode. I just need to hope we don't run into a B-man and just get instantly killed. Duplicator, interesting. Stampede? A single blood wall is actually pretty good. Because it also triggers Inferno. I like it. Waffle? Interesting. I do just like more max HP. I do also quite like strike removal, pommel strike. Or not, yeah, you know what? Strike removal, yes. I do need to remember that I have... Wait, what was the potions in this shop? Okay, none of them were that good. I don't want a second blood wall. Quite sad to lose my potion there. Put like pillage on top of my... I think that's good. I'm just so scared if this is B-Man. Maybe I can rush B-Man. It's not B-Man. Good. We still need to plan for B-Man. I should not use a potion in this fight. Interesting. The damage output is still very nice here. Oh, this turn looks a little sad. Slightly disappointing turn. Let's get that vulnerable down. Vulnerable is probably really important to us. Probably is. Ow, I'm so low. I'm not killing. Youch. I need to kill this turn. I can surely do that, right? I do. Rainbow ring? Sadly, I don't have a... Potion belt. Okay. And a parrying shield. Alright. Okay. Do I just rest again? And then we just fight this elite instead. I think I just rest again and then we fight that elite instead. Keep the max HP coming. Keep the train a-rolling. If you ever have vulnerable in hand, you need to play it. I do feel like I need to find like a potion in this, or like a power in this run. Especially since we did just pick up a rainbow ring. We just take that. We just Let me take the damage. Wait, what? Do your worst. Nice. I wonder if I'm actually supposed to take a tremble here. It's probably a good increase to your damage. And an inflame. What about a strike dummy? It's not very good. Okay. Hey, no B-Man! Huge! And also, I drew like a pretty good turn 1 for AoE. Wow! Hey! Actually, like, so good! So good, man. Wow, that was actually insane high roll. Holy. And we get a Faj. Okay, we're actually cooking. We're actually in the money cooking. I am going to rest here again, though. So much HP. It'd be crazy if I died here, right? Sure would. I'm gonna use this potion here because I'm slightly scared. I get the ring. That seems good. Pretty good turn 1. Less... Fine turn 2. Just keep the AoE. Keep the AoE train rolling. I should have used this. You know what? It is fine to use that now. Ow. Oh, you weakened me? Hey, rude. Don't do that. Ooh, big. Big! Yo! We attack. Attack, attack, attack! That's the spirit of this deck. Just play your silly little attack cards. I actually cannot stress how lucky we got that we didn't fight B-Man. We fought 2 elites and we really lucked out. Wow. That's a lot of attacks. It's a lot of fish. Actually, did I have lethal there if I just played strikes? I think I might have. I have enough powers. I don't need cruelty. Finally, I see this lady. Jesus Christ. I swear to God. I've been like, this lady got new art. But I just never saw her. She looks nice. Serendipity? I do like a fur coat here. So, I have enough max HP, okay? I'm gonna take the coat. And we're gonna ride these coattails. Wait, is that the bit? Oh, so you can get a path that's like this. So we're fighting Doorman and Test Subject Alpha. I really want to visit this shop at the end. So maybe I do this instead. I guess so. Very well. Bye. You know, that is good. It's I should be able to beat this guy, right? Because we're fast. I'm fast. I can deal the damage I need to deal, right? I legitimately think I'm just applying vulnerable here. Oh. That's not good. Shit. Fortify up. That's a lot of damage I took here. That's a little sad. Man, that guy is such a killer. Give me a potion, please. Shit. I've drawn all my cards. Yeah, I do just want a potion. Also, I do get to heal like HP off this fight, which is cute. Nice. Liquid bronze. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Another pillage? I think so. Anger? This sounds kind of nutty on anger. Because then they like do 2 damage. Oh, fuck, it's you. Get away from me, you freak. I don't want your goddamn... Ooh, that's really good. Alright. I do have a lot of AoE in this build. Okay, I think I know how I need to play this fight. I think we gotta use this Dupot. This Dupot. This is not looking good. Okay. This needs to be the turn. Maybe this doesn't need to be the turn. That's not good. Very bad. Come on, pillage. I just need to win this fight next turn. Okay, maybe not. I am alive. Oh man. We are very close to dying, though. Okay, but we win. Whetstone? Hellraiser? Try it. Oh, hitting Pommel Strike there is actually so S tier. That's so perfect. Fall beneath my feet. Alright, do I fight another elite here? Probably not. Yeah, I will take that. Hell yeah. So weird to say I actually like a Flash of Steel here. Because I kind of do. Do I take Scrawler or card removal? I think I take Scrawl here. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if this silly little, goofy little, funny little, laughy little build has what it actually takes. Am I scared? Yeah, kind of. Solid and flame. I do like hitting in flame turn 1. So we're gonna be exhausting a lot of cards in this fight. Get the Inferno in play. I want to keep the Flash of Steel. Oh, wait, right. I can't draw cards here. Oh, I'm actually so going to die to this guy. Would seem so. Alright. I'm going to redo this fight. Oh my god, man. These silly little defense. Whoa, wait, no, I didn't draw cards there. I am mistaken. I unfortunately think our potions here are not going to save us against the doorman. But who knows? Maybe. Maybe there's a chance they can. It is really just like a strength pod and that's it. Okay, fuck the Flash of Steel, man. I care no longer. There's a chance that this Hellraiser is like actively bad to play. Maybe later in the fight. This is just like a really bad matchup for it. Very well. Oh man. Can't we just have like can't you give me like a turn off where you don't attack? I don't think he's gonna give me a turn off where he doesn't attack. Maybe I can win this fight with my angers? Maybe? I kind of doubt it though. Yeah, no, we are doing nowhere near enough damage. I'm actually just gonna kill myself with my angers. I don't think this is doable. I don't think so, man. Oh well. This run was fun though. I don't think this is doable. I think we just walked up into the fight and it's fine. I had fun though. And you know what? That's all that matters. I had fun just playing a bunch of attacks. This Ascension 10, man. It's hard. Oh wait, yeah, this was just like the Stone Humidifier run. That's what this video is titled. This Stone Humidifier is very interesting. Very curious relic this one is. Anyway, send me away, doorman. Adios. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Nice. Well, not nice. I lost, but no, I lost. I feel so blissful right now for some reason. Oh, it was cool. Well, anyway, that's gonna do for this episode of Slay the Spire 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.